Hello dear students, hope all of you are doing well. So students, you will be going to have a lab class on the topic design and fabrication of green compact tool using powder materials. To conduct this, the objective of this experiment will be recreate the powder metallurgical, in short PM green compact tool using different composition of the powder materials. So in the next experiment, using this compacted pellet, you will have to conduct the experiment on surface modification by reverse EDM process. The main apparatus used for this experiment will be mortar and pestle, second pellet dice, and third manual hydraulic pellet press. Coming to the theory, the powder compaction is the process of compacting the metal powders in a die through a application of high pressure using hydraulic pellet press. The tools are kept in the vertical position with the punch tool forming the bottom of the cavity. The powder is then compacted into a required shape and then ejected from the die cavity. Here, for the surface modification application, different types of powder with their required composition will mix thoroughly into a mortar. One may use the composition of copper tungsten or copper tungsten carbide, silicon copper, tungsten disulfide copper, etc. The selection of the composition is depending upon the objective and the application of the study. Coming to the second apparatus, that is pellet dies. These dies are made from hardened alloy steel having high hardness for bearing high pressure. The properties of the dies are that it is corrosion resistant. The die is basically consists of two pieces outer die body, one punch, which is also called anvils, a pusher rod, and a pellet removing ring. For achieving excellent surface finish, one side of both the anvils are mirror finish. The die are available in different size, that is in 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 13 mm, 15 mm, 25 mm and 40 mm. The load bearing capacity of the die depends on the internal dia of each die. Next, coming to the third apparatus, that is manual hydraulic pellet press. It is a tabletop model of compact size. Hydraulic pellet press has a hydraulic cylinder. At one side of the pellet press, a pump is kept for easy operation. The pellet press is calibrated by pressure gauge and in tons also. Next, coming to the experimental procedure, the first step is to select the powder composition in percentage by weight as per the requirements of the objective. After that, these powder particles will be mixed in the mortar for 1 hour thoroughly using mortar and pestle. Next, compact the mixture constituent using die with required compaction load in hydraulic pellet press. Suppose we will have to prepare a total 60 number of pellet of for different load levels like 5 tons, 10 tons, 15 tons, 20 tons. In each level, total 4 number in a set will be prepared. So after completing pellet making operation, the next compacted pellet to the conductive copper rod of same dia with the help of electrically conductive epoxy and is allowed to dry the tool for 8 hours. So it will complete the tool preparation process. During the operation, shut the cover of the hydraulic pellet press where the press is mounted on a base. The complete prepared pellet will be like that. After gluing the pellets to the copper rod, the final tool will be like that. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.